Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for this month's swaps. Let me go ahead and show you what I got. I love doing swaps, and this one was mine. So it is just a little love banner. I thought it was kind of cute with the little sparkly star there, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. The theme was Valentine's Day, and some people chose to do winter, so let me go ahead and show you what people did. So somebody made this adorable little box here, and there's a little something in there, a little treat, and the person who made this was Carrie. So how cute is that little guy? Super adorable there. And then this little one. Oh, I love that little snowman. There's some nice glitter on there. It says Very Merry, and it's got that great DSP. Super cute little love with the buffalo checks. It's got the stitched heart and then the love die there. So adorable for Halloween. Look at me. Halloween just ended. For Valentine's Day, we've got this cute one. Oh, let me see who made these. Let me see. We've got Chris made this one. And Becky made this one. And then we've got this one. Very cute, lifting up that paper, cut it there, and then wishing you a Christmas of smiles and love that will last all year. So adorable, and her little wings are all glittery. And this one was made by Lori. And then look at this guy. That is definitely a hot rod of a card there. I love that little heart right there. And then, oh, I don't know who this one was made by, but it is super cute. And then there's this one, which I just love it. And it is Be My Valentine, and it's got this great design here. And I wouldn't have thought to put another stamp in there, but now that I see this, I'm definitely going to be doing that. I think I'm going to make some really pretty thank you cards doing something very similar. And who made this one? Let's see here. Sandy. So Sandy, beautiful card. I'm definitely going to case that. And casing means copy and share everything. That's what we do here at Stampin' Up. We don't tell anybody, oh, you stole my design or anything like that. But we do tell people, like this is Sandy's design. So I thought that was really cute. And I'm going to have so much fun sharing all of these cards and copying this guy. Now, if you want to learn how to make one of these, just make sure, if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, because tomorrow I'm going to be making that card for you. All right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will talk to you later. If you want to buy any of the items that were used to make any of these cards and gifts, I'll put that link down below as well in the description. All right, oh, here you go. You can go to beautyandthestamper.com. And then if you do order, just use this host code for the month. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.